This video is meant to make you acquainted with main peculiarities of Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on implementation and show how simple it is to send an email from the SAP system for goods movement approval using our SAP certified solution. I'd like to point out that Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on is officially certified by the SAP company for the ERP system version 3.1 and is also ready for Solution Manager 7.2. This business case is for you if you are implementing SAP workflow scenario for goods movement, release, or monitoring and would like to extend human to SAP and SAP to human intercommunication. If your client's business users are kind of concerned about the flexibility of the SAP system in communication scenarios, and if you have a limited budget and timeline but still would like to increase your business process productivity. Our solution is ready to provide you with interactive emails which are easy to be adjusted to any corporate layout, and you are going to use only a few lines of ABAP code in Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on. Let us consider an example of implementing email communication interfaces for SAP workflow. The purchasing department of some company creates a document on goods movement. As soon as the document is saved, the departmental manager is sent an email about this. So you are going to see how easy, fast and convenient it is to create such an email from SAP workflow using Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on. The process of ABAP classes development for workflow scenario consists of three main blocks. First, you are to inherit the class with the main functionality on mails creating into your own class. Then, you are to copy the demonstrational class for mails creating according to a particular document type. Finally, you are to copy the demonstrational class in order to bind the notification to the workflow. Now, let us follow all the implementation steps in details. You are to inherit the class of Skybuffer CL YCA1 ERP Mailbone into your own class. This is going to be the common core for all tasks on creating mails and taking decisions on workflow. In this class, you are to redefine 4 separate methods on creating common corporate mail style. Let's choose the email template, get template, and redetermine the template name. Alternatively, you can organize reading this template from any other source. Now header, get header. Here we determine the mail subject and the company's letterhead, that is, the name and the information string. Addressing the receiver, get sections. Here, we create the salutation and the text addressed to the receiver. Signature, get footer. Here we create any template phrase for the footer. This class is created just once for all the documents types in the system. In order to create a mail on a particular kind of document, we are to copy a demonstrational class of Skybuffer CL YCA1 ERP Mail MMGR, delivered with the YCA1 Simple Communication, specify the core class created in the previous step as a parent class, and redetermine the methods of filling in the mail contents. Get sections. This class effects reading the document and filling the mail with the data. This is going to be enough for simple notifications to be emailed according to documents without binding to the workflow. In order to bind the notification to the workflow, we need to copy the demonstrational class of Skybuffer CL YCA1 WF exit MMGR, delivered with the YCA Simple Communication, and redetermine the following methods. work item defining. This is the method of getFlow. This method defines which work item refers to sending email for approval and which one to the approved declined notification. Calling the class from the previous step, this is prepare mail. This method defines calling the mail creating. If necessary, we can redetermine the methods of reading the object from the workflow. This is getObjects, from the workflow operation container or the work item. And getting agents, mail receivers, getActors. Our add-on can determine the agents either by rule or by initiator. Other algorithms can be implemented in this method too. All these classes use text elements. Also, our add-on has an implemented method of switching to the language of a particular receiver. This method provides multilingual support when creating mails directly out of the box. As we can see from this example, this programming code is not too big. It can take from 1 to 3 hours to program the code to create such a mail in the workflow exit class. All you have to do in order to boost the implementation is to copy or inherit supplementary classes. If you need to implement a separate option, you are to redetermine the respected class method. I would like to emphasize that the volume of a developed code is not too big, as the main part of the functionality is already implemented in the add-on. Now we are going to open the backend system. Here we are opening the goods movement document for which our mail has been created. To make it easier and more convenient for a person responsible for the document approval to spare him from the necessity to log into the SAP system, our mail has the main elements of the document. As the result of calling the class method delivered in the solution of simple communication, we see the following mail created. As we can see, this mail contains exactly the same details of the goods movement document as those shown in the previous step. So, implementation of the simple communication add-on can significantly speed up development of SAP applications and utilities necessary to form, send, and process incoming emails.